Hey, it's me, V, and welcome back to my channel. If I look gross, it's because I had just rolled out of bed, put my hair up, and decided to do my makeup today because I'm going to a family event, and you know what? Might as well. So this is going to be one of my first makeup looking kind of things on my video, which I'm really excited about. I have been dabbling in makeup. I have enjoyed makeup for a really long time now, for about a year or two. I'm really excited about doing this. I have my complexion, my kind of eyes, and you like really simple looking stuff, then this is the tutorial for you. So obviously, because I have bangs, I have to pin the back when I do my makeup, so that's what I'm doing here. Then after I'm done putting them up, I do use Carmex on my lips because I don't typically wear lipstick, but today I am for this look, so I like to keep them nice and soft. Then I go in with my two primers. I have a regular primer that's Stella. It's a color correcting one-step primer. It's probably one of my favorites. My friend gifted it to me because she didn't want it, but I love it so far. And then I use this Mario something facial spray. It's so good. Then I go straight into my brows. I use a spoolie brush and some Anastasia clear brow gel. I basically do this just because I already have really full eyebrows, just to keep them tame. Then, like every beauty guru has told me, I need to conceal my eyebrows, so I did with some $3 concealer from e.l.f. because your girl's cheap. Then I use a Maybelline Fit Me powder to set that concealer around my eyebrows. I use a NYX eyeshadow primer for my eyelids. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the eyeshadow stuff I have. I have some ColourPop like singles. I got this eyeshadow palette from Hush.com. It has most of the mattes I like to use, but I don't think I'm going to use them for this look today. I have this Makeup Revolution. I got it from my friend for free, but I love the highlighter in the middle. It's iconic. I got this other one from my friend too. Shout out to Loretta for all these eyeshadow palettes. She's been hooking me up. And she also gave me the dupe for the Anastasia, I think, Soap Culture. It's so good. But I also got this Morphe palette for Christmas. It was so amazing. I love it. But I will be using this nice champagne pop on my inner corners. I will be using Fab on my outer corners. And here we go, into the blending. After I'm done blending out Fab, I go in with Youth. It's this nice brown color in the Retro Love palette, and I use it in my crease to give it depth. I don't know, my friend told me to do that once and I have not stopped. Then I use another color called Revolution. It's this nice gold glitter kind of thing. It has a little bit of a fallout, so I do have to clean that up after I put it on, but it's still worth it for the look. And then I use Fab underneath my eyes. Then I go in with my Tarteist eyeliner. It is probably my favorite eyeliner that I have. What was I doing? And because I can't do it on camera, I had to do it off camera, but look at me go. Then I use two different concealers from e.l.f. and another color correcting concealer. I have a NYX concealer. It's not the right color, so I usually only use it when I want to do cool eyeshadow looks. So here I am putting on my concealer. So much of it. But I mean, when I'm done with the look, it doesn't even look like I have anything on. After I'm done putting on my concealer, I like to blend it out with a concealer brush because I don't like blending sponges. I don't know. I just never had one that actually worked for me. But I do use this airspun powder thing that came with it. I don't use the airspun powder that often. It's more of a foundation on me because how white I am. But I do go back in with my Fit Me Maybelline powder. It's the best one I've ever used. That's why I hit pan on it. But I do that to set my concealer. Then I go in with a fluffy brush because I like that airbrush look. And then I dab a little bit, but then I just circle it in and circle it in. You know what I mean. Next up is my favorite part, mascara. I don't like falsies, so I do have to use a good chunk of mascaras in order for me to get that lifted look that I really like. So obviously I curl my eyelashes, but the ones that I do use the most is the Benefit Bad Girl Bang, Urban Decay Troublemaker, and the Lifted Tarte Mascara. They're probably my favorite mascaras, or my go-to. Another one that I really like is this Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. I didn't use that one today because it gets a little clumpy if I mix it with other ones, and I really wanted a nice natural looking mascara today. I have a crap ton of lipsticks, but today I'm only going to use a Kylie lip liner and my Fenty Beauty lip gloss because I paid $18 for that thing. I'm going to use it all the time. So I basically just line my lips with the lip liner and then I go over it with my Fenty lip gloss. I got this highlighting kit from Hush.com, mind my dancing. It's so good. It matches my skin tone really, really well. I didn't think it would because the colors seem a little dark for me, but when I put it on, it was iconic. I used the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray because it was only $15 for the travel size. And that is my finished look. Sorry, I keep looking at myself and like, not the camera, because I look good. This is how I go from a naked mole rat into somebody who actually looks presentable to the world. I'm gonna do this outro without my glasses because I'm just gonna cut myself off because I literally stuttered and said so many wrong things in this part of the video, and I just keep messing with my bangs. So y'all guys are just gonna watch me awkwardly talk without sound, but I'm gonna play this video of me dancing now. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's probably really boring to hear me talk all the time, but whatever. I like it, and this is what I wanted to do this week. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Yeah, I'm hungry. Also, I know one of my eyebrows is bigger than the other one. I just fixed it. Leave me alone.